7-Eleven in America. Looking for the bright colors. These machines are not as exciting as the ones we saw in Vancouver, but hey, we'll take it. Wild cherry, peach perfect. That sounds good. Vitamin water. Oh, zero sugar.
Hey, Dada.
You want peach perfect? Yeah, this is what you're gonna get. Hibiscus lemonade. That's interesting. Mountain Dew. We saw that up there in Vancouver. Pina colada, classic. Blue raspberry. I mean, that's the most old school that you can get. And then Coca-Cola. So they used to have actual Slurpee cups. For whatever reason, they only have these ones. The Big Gulp cups. See, normally there's actual Slurpee cups. I don't know where they're at. Oh, you like that little sink?
Yeah,
Here, go wash your hands. Go ahead.
yeah.
What's up with, why is there a small sink there? Okay, so I just asked them. And looks like they only have this.
That baby
It's kind
one.
of big.
I'm gonna hug down.
Yeah, but you can't. Oh. The sweat's off. So everyone that's ever gotten a Slurpee or icy knows sometimes it's not frozen. So these machines aren't working. Hey, these ones are definitely working.
These two are.
These are definitely frozen. Well, the lights are on and those aren't on. All right, so we're just gonna have to go with these flavors. Yeah, so there's a little trick here. I'll show you. There's a little strategy involved when filling these up. You have to let some of it pour out because it's melted and you don't want that at the bottom of your cup. So we're gonna do the peach.
How about
Yes,
that one?
you're giving some away. There you go. And then you fill it up, okay? Oh yeah. And then when you get near the top like this, you put it on. Unload it a little bit because it's melted. You fill it all. There you go. That's the trick right there. And of course the straw. It's got a little scoop at the end so you can scoop it when you get near the bottom, which is fun. Here, let's see. Little scooper. Tell me if it's good. Oh yeah. God, that's so good. It's been a long time. Look at what I found while I was down here. The Slurpee calorie chart. Let's see. Coca-Cola, 100 calories for the small, 180 for the medium, 240 for the large, and then 320 for the extra large. We got the medium, so it's 180 calories. It'd be nice if they showed sugar.
It's usually 100, but maybe they don't have it right now.
Look at that. Look, it's sugar-free. 35 calories. Makes a difference when you get that sugar-free. Are you happy right now? I like your princess hair, by the way. It's all about the hot dog. Surprisingly, they look delicious. 100% beef, too. My favorite is a hot chili and cheese machine. Chili and the cheese. Sometimes you feel like both of them, though. Here's the condiments. Pico de gallo. It's the first time I've ever seen that. Of course, for the nachos, but totally I would put it on the hot dog. And then onions, relish, ketchup, mustard. I think that's sauerkraut, and then jalapenos.
So,
Hey, can I have some, please? Come on up. Let's share.
hey, buddy, good try.
There's some fun chip flavors over here. Cheetos Crunchy Buffalo. So it's not quite flaming hot, but it's buffalo. Like a chicken wing kind of flavor.
Cheddar pretzel.
And then cheddar pretzels. Well, that sounds fun. What? A baby one? Look at this. It's only, look, 2 for $1. Huh.
These are baby ones.
All right, Ruffles, Double Crunch, Hot Wings. What's up with this? They got a lot of chicken wing flavors here. That's the first. I've never seen that before. Oh, yeah. This is becoming really popular. Everything's flaming hot these days. Even the cheddar and sour cream. What? Look at this. Doritos Spicy Sweet Chili Beef Jerky. That is interesting. And hot beef jerky. They're just adding that to everything. I remember growing up in San Diego, we had the Flamin' Hot Cheetos before just about anybody else in the country, at least SoCal, I'm guessing. And then I grew up with Flamin' Hot Funyuns. That was it. Those two Flamin' Hot options. Rarely saw the Flamin' Hot Funyuns, but of course you saw the Flamin' Hot Cheetos. 30 years later, Everything's flaming hot. Show me those Funyuns. Okay.
This one and this one.
Okay, well, first off, speaking of Funyuns, got the spicy queso. That sounds fun. And then Funyun flavored Lay's chips. Huh. Classic. This is classic. Cheddar and sour cream. Dinamita? What is this? Like a curled chip. Of course, flaming hot. Well, here you go. This is a classic for me. I grew up looking for this one. Flaming hot Funyuns. So good. It's so cool that they got flaming hot everything now. But dude, right here, try this. It's gonna blow your mind. Where's the Takis? Fuego. I'm assuming that's a spicy one. Non-spicy, just nacho cheese, barbecue. Hey, did you know about these? The blue heat Takis? You never tried these? You've never seen them?
I've never tried these before.
That's pretty crazy. The food coloring in that thing. That's kind of crazy. Kira found these Cheez-Its. Cheez-It Puffs. I think I've seen these before. Duos. Two different flavored Cheez-Its.
You tried these
Oh,
ones.
those ones are good. The Cheez-It Snaps. Oh, look at this. This is new. Man, they're just trying something new on everything. Cheez-It Grooves. Imagine Ruffles, except in Cheez-It flavor and form. Okay.
Cheddar, bacon, and cheddar cheese.
But this,
Parmesan cheddar.
I tell you, is the weirdest thing I've seen today. The weirdest flavor bugles ever. I was joking about this, how they have Cinnamon Toast Crunch of everything now. Cinnamon Toast Crunch bugles. This, not as strange, but still a first for me. Cinnamon Toast Crunch popcorn, Cinnadust and glaze. But if I had a movie night, this is what I'd be getting. The Cinnamon Toast Crunch popcorn. And I would mix this with regular buttered popcorn. Oh my God, that would be so good. Man, this is a throwback. Combos. These are pretzels filled with cheese. All the classic flavors, including pizzeria.
This is pepperoni.
Pepperoni pizzeria. Okay, pepperoni pizza. That is new. Nacho cheese. I've never seen that, but of course makes sense. I'm surprised I'm not seeing a flamin' hot or a cinnamon toast crunch version. Look at this. Wait, this is the copycat red hot cheese balls. They can't call it flamin' hot. Tell me what you found.
Baby fat.
Baby cups? These are actually shot glasses. One-time use shot glasses, but she called it baby cups. The candy aisle.
I got the orange.
Oh, is this the real deal?
Kinder Joy.
Kinder Joy, not Kinder Eggs?
See? It's right here.
Oh, they're not allowed to call them Kinder Eggs? Oh, I see. There's no toy in it anymore. Okay, we got the classic Twix. Nothing new about this. Classic. But then, what is this? Cookie dough Twix. Huh. Twix with cookie dough in it. Oh, no caramel. That's what it is. Oh my gosh.
Pieces.
Reese's lovers. So you got the go-to classic peanut butter cups. And you got Reese's Outrageous. It's got Reese's Pieces in it in a chocolate bar form. Okay, big cup with pieces in it. That's cool. Got a little bit of texture in there. Pretzel big cup. Look at this. Oh, take 5 Reese's. So it's a combo. What else they got? Oh, the white. This is actually pretty good. I like getting the Theo brand, which is a Seattle brand of chocolate. And then we got this crunchy peanut Reese's. Oh, that's a lot here.
Kit Kats. You got all the Kit Kats.
Oh yeah, all the different Kit Kats.
White.
Okay, I've never seen this before. Strawberry dark chocolate duos. What? What is it?
It's Kitty Kat.
It's a kitty cat? Where?
That one.
Which one?
Oh, Kit
one?
Kats. You said
Oh, Kit Kats? Oh yeah, kitty cat. You called it kitty cat? Yeah, no, this is called Kit Kats.
See?
Hey, something that Japan doesn't have. Kit Kat duos. Didn't see it there. It's rare that America has something in regards to Kit Kat that Japan doesn't have, or I've never seen. 20 years ago, in the ice cream freezer, you would have never seen mochi, but here you are. Coffee station. Pretty basic. Something you don't see very often is just straight drip coffee machines. But people love drip coffee here, and I think drip coffee 100% underrated. Remember, they're making these machines to make drip coffee, and they've been making them for decades, like 50 plus years. So solid cup of coffee. All right, you can't have a convenience store without the hostess section.
Look, but there's no Twinkies.
There's no Twinkies?
Well, there's this, but it's glazed Twinkies, but they're tiny balls.
How can there not be any
Donuts.
Twinkies? Where the heck is the Twinkies at? Okay, that's so crazy that there isn't any Twinkies. Tell me, why is there no more Twinkies?
Cupcakes.
All right, so cupcakes for sure.
Yep, birthday cake cupcakes.
Definitely popular choice.
Oh,
Oh,
so close.
this is the one I'd pick if I was gonna get it. The cupcake one. Snowballs. I think this isn't this marshmallow with cake and some kind of whipped cream? Hey, look, they got bimbos. I think I saw this in Mexico. Bimbo cakes. Look it, made it all the way here. Oh, so you do sell Twinkies, but sold out? Oh, wow. Really popular? That's so crazy. I'm actually surprised. Oh, so Twinkies are just sold out. They do sell them. Okay, this seems pretty basic, but this is a whole nother level of sweetness. Honey buns. Imagine a cinnamon roll that's flattened and has maybe twice the glaze on it. That's a honey bun right there. 7-Eleven has its own brand. I wonder if they got actual honey buns, the brand. They've always had donuts, but they've really stepped up their donut game. Kind of has a Krispy Kreme's vibe to it. Got the custard filled apple fritters.
Vanilla.
Yep, French vanilla. And then got the chocolate eclairs.
They have a cream donut.
A maple. Hey, Kira, do you know about this right here? The one chip challenge. So this is just one chip. It's literally just one chip, and it's super spicy. Carolina Reapers. Who would have ever thought we'd get to a point in the world where we just sell one chip just for people to
How much money is it?
film videos on it? They're the super spicy chips. You know, Sour Patch Kids have been around forever, but have you seen all blue Sour Patch Kids? Just in case you love the blue raspberry flavor. Look at this. Watermelon Sour Patch Kids. Huh. Speaking of ice cream, we're just gonna open it real quick, okay? Go ahead. Look. Oh yeah. Okay, close it. There's nothing to see here. It's called Mini Melts though. Dippin' Dots are the original. Freeze-dried ice cream, I believe. That's how they get the little ball-shaped ice cream. When I was in Mexico, I was joking about how I was probably the only one ever to use a basket, at least that day. It's probably a rare thing to grab a whole basket because convenience store, you're just grabbing one or two things. Even here, there's only 2 baskets. Okay,
I choose salted caramel.
Okay, we keep finding some interesting things. So, Haichu, really common, but Haichu salted caramel, good find, Kira. That's a good one. What? It's just gummies. 7-Eleven branded gummies. That might be the most interesting thing I saw here because the whole point of Haichu, it's a fruity candy, salty caramel. It's basically caramel. Totinos. They got it in the frozen fridge here, along with the Ben & Jerry's. Okay, if you're not from the States, this is a famous ice cream brand, Ben & Jerry's. They got all kinds of interesting flavors. So unlike Canada's 7-Elevens, we do sell a lot of booze. In fact, behind the counter, I think there's probably hard alcohol somewhere. And then, I don't know, here, way down there, they've got beer. Look at this. Buzzballs Chillers, horchata, hazelnut latte, choco chiller, sour apple chiller, espresso martini. I think this is all alcohol, though it is. This guy's probably looking at us in the security cameras asking, like, what the hell are we doing here? I was only going to come in here for this. So I just thought, why not vlog it all? I haven't been in a 7-Eleven in over a year. Sometimes I take these girls for Slurpees, and she really wanted one, so they got Oreos. They got more Oreos.
Yeah.
They got white Oreos.
Double stuffed Oreo.
But what about this? Most stuffed.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. That's so crazy. That's an Oreo lover's Oreo right there. This girl's got a little bit of energy. You got a little bit of energy, huh?
What the?
She's buzzing right now. This is what makes Japan 7-Eleven so unique. This is all their prepared foods. And the fact that they have Lunchables in here. Yeah, it just tells you everything. So they got a frozen, well, not frozen, just pizza right here. This is their full selection of fruit. They do have some salads, which, you know, look okay. They got a pasta salad there. Cut fruit, sandwiches. They got these pickles, hot and spicy. I've never seen the Tapatio pickle though. Refrigerated burritos, just pop it into there. The microwave. Yogurt. Okay, they do have boiled eggs, hard-boiled eggs, but that's the extent. They're prepared foods. Does that make you miss Japan a little bit? 7-Eleven in the States, where it all started. Sadly, even though 7-Eleven is nostalgic for me, and I grew up with it, other 7-Elevens in other countries, way more interesting and way better foods. Yes. Yeah, we're gonna go Hagen's. Okay, now we're gonna go to grocery store.